Every year, Americans consume hundreds of millions of pounds of peanut butter. It's spread on sandwiches, blended into smoothies, baked into desserts, and found in kitchens across the country. But have you ever wondered what happens behind the factory doors before that smooth, creamy peanut butter reaches your jar? From massive peanut deliveries and industrial roasting systems to high-speed grinders and automated filling lines, today's peanut butter factories transform simple peanuts into one of the world's most popular spreads. Let's step inside the factory and discover how peanut butter is made on an industrial scale. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe to Factory Made and turn on notifications for more fascinating journeys inside the world's largest factories and production lines. The process begins with the most important ingredient of all: peanuts. Factories source thousands of tons of high-quality peanuts from large farming regions where warm temperatures and nutrient-rich soil create ideal growing conditions. After harvesting, the peanuts are transported to processing facilities where every batch undergoes a thorough inspection. Advanced sorting machines remove stones, damaged peanuts, shells, and other unwanted materials. Optical scanners examine each peanut for size, color, and quality, ensuring that only the best peanuts continue through production. Once sorted, the peanuts are carefully cleaned and prepared for roasting. This stage is critical because the quality of the raw peanuts directly affects the flavor, texture, and consistency of the final product. With preparation complete, the peanuts move into large industrial roasters. Inside these powerful machines, controlled heat develops the rich aroma and deep nutty flavor that peanut butter is known for. Roasting also reduces moisture, creating the ideal texture for grinding. After roasting, the peanuts pass through cooling systems that quickly lower their temperature while preserving freshness. Next comes blanching. Specialized equipment removes the thin outer skins from the peanuts, leaving behind clean kernels ready for processing. The peanuts are then fed into industrial grinding machines. Powerful grinders crush and refine the peanuts into a thick paste. As the grinding continues, natural oils are released, transforming the mixture into the smooth, creamy consistency consumers recognize instantly. Depending on the recipe, ingredients such as salt, sugar, or stabilizers may be added during this stage. Large mixing tanks blend everything together until the texture becomes perfectly uniform. The finished peanut butter is then transferred through stainless steel pipelines to automated filling machines. Hundreds of jars are filled every minute with remarkable precision. Automated systems ensure that every container receives exactly the right amount before moving to the sealing station. Once sealed, the jars are labeled, coated, and packaged into cartons for shipment around the world. Here's something many people don't know. A single large peanut butter factory can process thousands of pounds of peanuts every hour and produce enough peanut butter to fill millions of jars every year. But before any jar leaves the factory, it must pass a series of strict quality checks. Samples are collected throughout production and tested for flavor, texture, moisture levels, and consistency. Advanced laboratory equipment monitors product safety, while automated inspection systems check every jar for proper filling levels, seal integrity, and labeling accuracy. Any product that fails to meet standards is removed immediately, ensuring that only high-quality peanut butter reaches store shelves. Modern factories also focus on sustainability by reducing waste, improving energy efficiency, and maximizing the use of raw materials throughout production. From carefully selected peanuts to high-speed packaging lines, every jar of peanut butter represents an impressive combination of agriculture, engineering, and food science. If you enjoyed this inside look at the peanut butter manufacturing process, be sure to like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to Factory Made for more incredible factory tours and behind-the-scenes production stories. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next factory.